Hello everyone, this is Sans. In this video, I will be going over the reasons due to which the Bitcoin mining stocks are going down. Even though 75% of the miners use energy from renewable sources, yet some people in the industry feel that Bitcoin is bad for the environment. In this video, I will be explaining that the energy consumption issue has been blown out of proportion. Bitcoin also incentivizes investments in clean energy sources. As always, I am not a financial advisor, and please do your own research. The banks are a part of the traditional financial system, and they are driving the narrative behind Bitcoin being bad for the environment because it's bad for the bottom line of the banks. In the last 3 to 4 days, Mara and Riot have gone down by around 50%, and the fall in the share price has been quite concerning. Mara and Riot were already volatile, but in the last few weeks, this volatility has gone to an entirely new level. The institutions are using algorithms to make buying and selling decisions, and some of these algorithms might be treating Bitcoin mining stocks as a technology company, and the miners are going down with the tech companies. Now we have to consider that the revenue of the miners is from the price of Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is a hedge against inflation. The algorithms may have to be adjusted as the Bitcoin miners cannot be valued in the same way as a tech company because the revenue is coming from Bitcoin. Guys, if you have bought Mara or Riot in the $30 range and you are feeling concerned, then I want to tell you that there is nothing to worry about. This has happened before with Bitcoin. Sometimes there are issues concerning the security of the network or that Bitcoin is not good for transactions. And now we have the energy issue. In spite of all this, Bitcoin still remains the best performing asset in human history. The institutions are clearly manipulating the mining stocks like Mara and Riot. And if you have bought in the 30s, then please do not sell. We don't want institutions to take away money from retail investors. And now, let me show you a few things. Neptune Digital Assets has bought Bitcoin after Elon Musk's tweet, so at a price below 50,000. And then Michael Saylor has also bought Bitcoin once again at 55,387. So guys, despite all the fear in the crypto markets, the institutions still continue to hodl Bitcoin. Now let me ask you a question. When Tesla bought Bitcoin in Feb, at that time, were they not aware of the energy issues that were involved? Did Tesla's due diligence not cover the energy issues? Guys, over here, we have the quote of the day. It's fine if you can't buy Tesla with Bitcoin, but you can still buy Bitcoin by selling Tesla. Another thing I would like to mention is that there is a lack of clarity in the market about how to value Bitcoin mining companies. For example, Hive has more Ethereum than Bitcoin. Ethereum was making all-time highs, but still Hive shares have decreased considerably. Also, Hive has mentioned over here that they are the only publicly traded Bitcoin and Ethereum miner that uses 100% clean, renewable energy. So the concerns raised by Elon Musk are not that relevant in the case of Hive. Yet, Hive shares have gone down by about 12% today. This clearly shows that the markets can be irrational. If we have a look at the BTC chart, we had a wick down to around 45,700 and then we have come back up. We are bearish in the short term, and if we were to break through the horizontal support at around 47,000, then we could go down to the next support level of around 42,000. Which is the January high for Bitcoin. I don't want to scare anybody, but we need to be aware of both the upside and the downside. In order for Bitcoin to become bullish again, we have to break through the resistance of around 51,500. What happened over here is that the leveraged long positions got liquidated by one Elon Musk tweet, and now all the mining stocks have also gone down. Guys, I know that there are a lot of people out there who are worried now, but we have to consider that the stock market is one thing, but the underlying business is another thing. The markets can become irrational, but eventually, over time, in the long term, we do get to a stage of rationality. When the BTC downtrend is over and Bitcoin starts flying again, then the momentum in the mining space can rapidly shift to the upside. Guys, just wanted to ask something. It does take a lot of time and effort to make these videos, so if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. This is a graph showing the Bitcoin mining energy consumption as a percentage of the total energy consumption in the country. China has the highest percentage energy consumption. While Bitcoin uses a lot of energy, we have to consider that the mix is evolving towards renewables. Bitcoin incentivizes investments in clean energy sources, and it also redistributes wasted power production. That's it for this video. If you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.